Good morning, Dreamstick. And 2020 been a new normal for us, and it's been a different journey. And Happy New Year to everyone, to you and your families. And 2020 been amazing year in terms of our business performance, products delivery, and in this difficult time, the way how the team Dreamstick played together, how we have solved our different tough situation. I mean, it's been an amazing feelings to share with you all. So 2020, we have almost have done uh, in terms of the business double what we had in 2019, and it's very a difficult time how we started in the whole Corona situation. And in Dreamstick birthday, 14th of April, we decided that whatever will happen, we will work together, we will fight together, we will stay together, and we will make sure that we can just not let anyone down. And we kept our word as a company, as a team, and we wanted to make sure that in this whole new world we can stay together. And I'm really happy to say that we have done it. We have done it with our passion, with our dedication, with our extreme hard work. And I am really privileged to have a team like you, all the seniors managers, all the team leads, developers, QA, designers, all our uh, business analyst team, all our team partners, all our team in US, UK, been amazing. And without their support, it could have been possible to really reach where we are today. And we are really looking forward for a great 2021. And we have the platform to make sure that we can achieve a lot more in 2021. And we have set our platform. So in 2020, when many of the companies been struggling at their different issues, Dreamstate have done really well. We recruited a lot of new members in the team around the world. A lot of new talent had been hired remotely. They started working with us. So it's a complete new structure. It's a complete new way how we are starting our 2021 journey. And I'm really hopeful that in 2021 we will achieve a lot more. And I'm really thankful because 2020 could have been very difficult without your support. But the way how we played, the way how we worked, it's been amazing. And again, really appreciate to all of you for this great journey in terms of our business performance, in terms of our product releases, in terms of our new hiring, in terms of the revenue, what we have collected in 2020 been amazing. And we are extremely finishing as a strong, bold way. And I really look forward for a great 2021. And thank you very much, bottom from my heart. And whatever we promised, we kept it. And looking forward to meet you all again physically in 2021 sometime when all the situation uh, will solve. And I'm really hopeful that you guys are having amazing journey as well. Looking forward to it. And thank you again to all your families for their support working in remote. I know it's difficult, but we have done it. We have successfully done it. So thank you everyone for your amazing support and happy new year. Thank you.